here. I recently did a tribute to D'Angelo, late D'Angelo, and I covered one of his songs, just the intro of How Does It Feel? And you amazing people have viewed it over 100,000 times. And one of the questions that I was asked, what were you thinking? How did you approach the song? And can you share exactly what you played? So the song began with a D major triad, but what they did was they played a hammer on. So it wasn't just, it was actually that hammer on that stood out in my ear. And then I went to playing an octave, to play the melody using the octave, okay? So that is a F sharp, G, A. Then I played an A minor 9. Then I went to a G major 7. Then another octave. Then a G minor 9. Then chromatically moving into a half diminished, a E half diminished. But then I added that A and went chromatically to the G. Okay? Then I went back to that same chord, that triad that we used in the beginning with the hammer on. Then I played another octave. Same like we did last time. Then I played an A minor 9, an A minor 7. Then I went to a G major 7. No, actually I played a F sharp augmented. F sharp augmented. See that? And I added a G sharp to it. Then I played that G major 7, but I used movement with it. So what is that? First striking the G major 7, then playing the F sharp, E, D, see? Back and forth. Then I played D minor 9, right? All the way to that C, and I played a B flat. So then I played a B flat major 7 flat 5. That's a mouthful. B flat major 7 flat 5 chord. And I did the hammer on the C. So, and then back to the 1 again with that same hammer on. And that is the entire intro, the way I approached it. Again, I say thank you so much for viewing, and I'll see you in the next video.